Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today, since the market is closed, so we're gonna predict the next candle based upon pure price action and candlestick psychology on the closed market. As you can see, this is a market structure, and I've hided uh, from this area. I have hided the upcoming candles because already the market has been gone through this area. So this is a way you can practice when the market is closed instead of trading upon. We can even trade on OTC, but in OTC, what happens is there are a lot of gap ups and gap downs, and second point is respecting the levels is completely different with the original market because in the original market sometimes market may give winning trades because levels are being respected because there is an exchange, but in here there is no control in that. And third point is sometimes in a momentum or in a ranging market we can't predict. Basically both are the same, but I prefer only with the original market. So that's why I'm here to uh, predict the next candle. So let's get started. So here you can see the market is exactly at the extreme end. So assume or imagine that now the market is at here. So the candlestick, each candlestick is of 2 minutes time frame. Um, all right, and okay. So here the market is in the uptrend. Okay, and this is the next seller's entry, seller's area. We can say. 1 second. So this is the next area of sellers. So this whole area is a sellers area, including the rejections. So first, let's predict with the sellers. So the previous candle says there is a sellers entry. Sellers are interested. Second reason is um, it's creating a uh, there is a gap between the entry point of buyers and sellers, 2 points. And so this candle is actually a hammer candlestick, sign of a reversal or a continuation. So 3 points with buyer to go for a sellers. So for buyers, 1 point is the sellers are weak because of the candlestick and strong rejection from buyers, and the market is at the buyers area, and the trend is an uptrend. So we have 4 points to go with buyers and 3 points to go with sellers. So it is better to be with buyers. So let's assume that we took call option on the next candle, on this upcoming candle. So I'm assuming that next will be the buyer, so I took a call option. Okay, so let's see then the next candle what it will be, or right here you can see here. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right. So buyers. Now what will be the next candle? So like this way you can predict the next candle. So in your opinion, what will be the next candle? So just write down the comments below. How did you analyze the market and how did you predict the next candle? So here Let's analyze. So let's go with analyze with the buyer's end because it is in the uptrend, and also it is creating a lower lows because the market is coming like this from it is coming like this: high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, again a lower high, and again a lower low, and sorry, it did not created a lower low directly. This is a double bottom pattern. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's say now we are at here. So let's see from the buyer's end first. Number one is uptrend, strong buyers, gap between this sellers area, and also it's like a spinning top candle. It's a sign of a reversal, and I can see that there is a buying pressure as well. Sorry, there is no buying pressure, but interest of buyers, we can say. All right, okay. So this is for putting a call option. Now let's see from the sellers end. Number one is strong rejections from sellers from this area, from the top. Second is market is creating a lower lows, not a higher high. It's like a lower lows. It's creating like this. It's coming. The market is coming like this. Okay, I forgot here. Sixth one is double bottom. You can say it's like a double bottom because here you can see buyers. Again here you can see buyers. So it's like a double bottom. And in sellers, the market is at sellers area. So there are more options going with the buyers here from this level. Okay, from this level, from here, there are more chances of going with buyers. And as the market as of now, it is in the ranging from this level. The market is in the ranging. It means from this area. Okay, see. So from this moment, from here to here, the market got stuck in this area. After here, yes, from here the market got stuck in this area. So I'm assuming, so let's, I don't want to go with buyers neither sellers because I don't know, because then the market is stuck in this area. Either may sellers may enter or maybe buyers may enter. So what I'll do is I'll abort this, so I won't go for call or neither for put option here. But I'm expecting that there will be a seller's entry. Okay, I don't know. Let's see. So after this candle, we'll predict the next candle. Depending upon the probability, we'll take the option. Let's see. Okay. So as I said that there will be a seller's entry. So it was correct. Okay. But I analyzed more on the buyer's end. So this is how, because I don't took the option, so I'm in a profitable position because there are more probability upon buyers but seller centered. So now next, what will be the next candle? Let's predict the next candle. Okay, so let's remove this. Sorry. So the market is in the ranging. Oh, sorry. So the market is in the ranging. Sellers entered from this area, from this level, the strong rejection. Okay. So since it is in seller's area, first analyze from the seller's point of view. Number one is there is a strong selling pressure. We can see it's like an inverted candlestick. It's a sign of a reversal. Okay. Third point, second inverted candlesticks, and it's the market is in the ranging. Third point, and also it's like a downtrend, like this: high, low, lower, high, lower, low. So 4 points for buyers, sorry, sellers. Now in the buyer's point of view, buyer's interest, we can see this whole candle wick is of buyer's interest, previously the buyer's, right? So from here, sorry, from here the buyers has been trying. Here the market got rejected, here got rejected, here it got rejected, here it got rejected, here it got rejected, again it tried here. So almost market tried 1 2 3 4 5, so almost it tried more than 5 times to break the level, this level, this one. Okay. And sellers are very low, because we can see, sorry, buyer sellers are very weak, and buyers rejection, there is a small rejection from here. So there are more chances are with the sellers from this level. I'm sure that next candle will be a seller's candle. So let's see what will be the next candle. I'm pretty sure, because there is a strong selling pressure, and also it's a reversal candlestick which is coming from the area. All right, next, so next candle will be the red. Okay, here we can see it's a buyers. So here again the buyers entered very strongly from this level, from here, because it's a breakout candlestick of this level, of this one. So once if it broke this level, we did not see this, there is also another level here. So that's why again the buyers entered very strongly. Okay, now what will be the next candle? So from the seller's point of view, the candle is like a Maruboju candle. It's a Maruboju, it's a sign of a reversal, one. And it broke this seller's area, and market is in now in the seller's area too, and it broke the level. So three options for going with sellers, and for buyers strong candlestick, strong buyer's entry. Okay, and market is in the uptrend too. The major trend is an uptrend, and also it's like a momentum. And for sellers, I think there is one more option here because it's like forming a pattern: green, red, green, red, green, red, green. So again, there is a chance of seller's entry. So 4 points for sellers and 3 points for buyers. So I'm expecting that there will be a seller's entry from the from the next candle on the next candle. Okay, let's see. Okay, next is the sellers. Now what will be the next candle? Sorry. So this is the area, the sellers area. This is the sellers area. I'll just draw the I'll just draw this lines so that it will be very easy for to analyze. Okay, so now the market is exactly at the sellers area. Okay, now it got rejected and closed as a sellers. So first analyze from the sellers end. Strong sellers entry. Okay, and market is at the sellers area, and market has created a new low, and from after the market is reaching this level, we are seeing a momentum in the market. See, we can see once when the market came here, it got rejected, again it retested, it got rejected, again it got tested, rejected, and again it got tested, again rejected. And the next entry of buyers is either we can say this area, this area. This is the next entry of immediate entry of buyers. So for sellers we have four options, and now for buyers end we can see market is creating a market has already tested this level 1 2 3 4 5. So it keep on testing to break this level. So one point is it may break the level in the next upcoming candle with a strong force of buyers, because already we are seeing a buyers rejection, a strong rejection from buyers, and it closed exactly at the the market got rejected exactly from the buyer's end. All right, and market is creating a red green pattern here: green red, green red, green red, green red. So again there is a chance of a buyer's candle here. Okay, and buyers are interested according to this rejection. So I think we may have to go with buyers from here. All right, because logic is telling us to predict go with buyers, but red green pattern sometimes it may go it may end at a particular levels, so we don't know. And sellers are also interested, and next entry of sellers is here, and we are seeing a momentum. So let's go with put option here. Okay, I am predicting that next will be the seller's entry. Let's see. So it's a green. So first I predicted, so my first prediction was correct, that I was expecting a green candle here. It was correct because market closed exactly and nearby the buyer's area. So now what will be the next candle? So this is how you can predict the market structure and the market candlestick depending on the price action. You don't have to analyze each and every candlesticks, but if you practice on each and every candlesticks depending upon the situation, you will come an idea how you need to handle. So that's how you need to practice in a closed market as well. All right, so I wanted to predict what will be the next candle. So on your comments I'll share what was the next candle. So I'm hoping comments from you guys. All right, have a great day, have a great evening. See you. Bye bye.